Robin Salmon, Vice President of Art and Historical Collections and Curator of Sculpture at Brookgreen Gardens. And we are here today to talk about our sculpture workshop program. We have 2 sculptors-in-residence per year, and these are nationally known artists who have award-winning works. Many times they are represented in the Brookgreen collection. Our collection is considered world-class. We have close to 500 large outdoor works on the grounds, as well as almost that many, if not more, indoors in changing exhibitions, as well as in our wonderful visible storage facility. The Brookgreen collection is considered, along with Brookgreen Gardens, a National Historic Landmark due to the significance of the artwork and the importance of Anna Hyatt Huntington, the founder of Brookgreen, as a sculptor and art patron. We have had workshops here at Brookgreen since 1999, and this year we are proud to offer 14 workshops that range from figure modeling to animal sculpture and portraiture, all of the things that people want to know about, how sculpture is made, the process, and special tips of the trade.
So what we did today here was just a sort of a demonstration of what's known as the lost wax casting technique. And so what we've done here is we've had a small wax sculpture, and then we made a ceramic mold which covered that ceramic sculpture. And once the ceramic dried, then we melted out the wax. The wax comes out, and now the mold is hollow again. And then we're melting bronze. We pour the bronze in, and then after the bronze cools down, we knock the ceramic off, which is not usable again. So essentially this is a mini version of what very many of the sculptures you see here at Brookgreen were done. Some of the older ones were done in slightly different ways, but the essential sort of technique of the lost wax is the essential sort of idea of how this works.
Our workshops are unique because we have the marvelous teaching tool of the Brookgreen collection right outside the door. No other place in the United States can offer that special opportunity to students. We take everybody from all skill levels, beginner to advanced, and our instructors are especially wonderful in dealing with beginners. So don't be afraid of taking a workshop if this is something you've always wanted to do. Now is the time to try it. To learn more about our workshops and the topics that we offer, go to our website at brookgreen.org to get all of the information you need.